some fabulous amenities your guests will love. For those who may have indulged a bit too much, bottled water with Advil attached. A simple yet thoughtful gesture that says, "We've got your back." Whether they're tearing up the dance floor or lounging by the bar, your guest and their sore feet will love these sandals. From quick touch-ups to sun protection, this bridesmaid survival kit ensures they stay fresh and fabulous all day long. Lastly, keep everyone cool with folding fans. Not only are they practical for warm weather, but they also add a touch of elegance to your decor. Let's turn your gift table from bland to grand with these 3 fabulous styling tips that'll leave your guests swooning. First up, we're all about adding some height to your table. Grab a variety of containers in different sizes, say goodbye to the flat surface, and hello to dimension. You've got yourself an elevated masterpiece. Next, it's all about layers. We're ditching the plain white cloth and jazzing things up with a bamboo runner and wooden placemat. Layering adds depth and interest, making those gifts pop. And last, but certainly not least, let's declutter like a pro. Say hello to our 3-tier gold serving tray, the epitome of elegance and organization. Watch as your gifts are beautifully displayed, adding a touch of sophistication to your celebration. With these fun and creative ideas, your gift table will be stealing the show in no time.